All right, well, since it's snowing outside and it's cold and I don't feel like being in the barn working on things, I can get some more stuff done. This is the 8-gang switch panel that I got. Um, Hopefully this shows up okay. The one reason I like this one is let's see if I can hover over it. This one is a very simple fuse, and everything is encased in like a silicone. It's hard to tell, but all this black here is, you can kind of tell there a little bit, is encased, so hopefully it's more waterproof. Very simple. I think I did pay the $119 for it, but it's such a clear installation. Gives you all the different things. There's a lot of videos out there, you can look that up, but that's the one I got. This is what it actually looks like. It's pretty heavy duty feeling. It's all like cast something, but it's got some beef to it. Haven't put any of the stickers on yet, but real nice sounding, feeling things. What I decided to do, which I'll show you in a second on the vehicle, is it seems to be like almost perfectly. This is really hard to do one-handed, but it fits in there real nice. I've already tried it on the vehicle. Unfortunately, it would set down like that, and that is too much angle, so I'm hoping to have it more like this. My image is just to make a very simple bracket. It has 4 holes on the side there that you can put, I guess, one right in the middle too, 6 of them. You can use any of those. The other thing I gotta be concerned about though is this wire. And probably what I'll do is after it's on here, I might like zip tie it or something to the back if it's out of the way. But then I can still use my ashtray for coins and things. This was sort of after I looked at it some more. Scratch that, no weird angles at all. It should be just very simple bracket. Once I lay it out, it'll just look like that. Put a couple bends in it, and if it's thick enough, it should hold this thing no problem. No problem at all. This was the idea. Fits in there really nice. There's the cover. It comes right off. Probably right in there. Looks real good. One thing I did notice though is there's no room for the wire. But that's the unit that I got. It's pretty heavy duty. I'm not going to do an unboxing really, but I will give you an idea what this thing looks like inside, because you don't know until you get one. And I was pretty happy with it. Can't get it open now. That's what it looks like inside. That's all like siliconed or something. I don't know, epoxied in. And it's just got real nice, simple things. And you got 2 30s, 2 20s, 2 10s, and 2 5s. And then they give you a real nice wire harness. That'll sneak in through everything goes in through the bottom. Hook that up. This is the wire that goes into the dash, real small, which is exactly why I wanted it. I don't have to cut any holes. Mounting all those different kinds of switches and being unhappy with them. They give you all kinds of bracketry. There's some more down below and all the stickers. And they also give you this, I don't know, pretty decent looking overload fuse that's resettable. So that is the unit. Sit outside, that's just a see idea what we're trying to do. I mean, for the money, it feels pretty quality. I was actually pleasantly surprised. So the idea is I got a flat surface here, a flat surface there. For the backside, basically parallel. I could feel that. There's a little notch in that bolt right there, and I could feel that hitting. So I'm going to go just above that, or just below that, I guess. And then we're just going to make a simple bracket like I finished Sojin 4 using our Dunkin' Donuts box here. And we can start templating this out before I waste too much time cutting. So I did find, I don't know what gauge it is, I can measure it, but it's really stiff aluminum, but I think it's going to be easy enough for me to bend. But it'll also not allow this thing to be real flexible feeling. I don't want it to feel cheap. I want it to feel somewhat quality if I can. So I'm happy for that. That should look really nice. well, it's done. I think it turned out nice. In about an hour. That didn't take too long. All right, let's see if this thing works. Haven't tried it yet. Please work. Oh, look at that. Okay. That still opens no problem. Plenty of clearance. Ashtray works if I want to get my coins and stuff in there. That's a pretty clean install, I think. Buttons work. You can push pretty hard and you don't open the ashtray. And we'll figure the wire out later.